Hello, today I am going to talk to you about an annoying habit that many actors like you might have. I know I've had it in the past, and it all involves this little finger. I'm going to talk to you more about it after the bump. Hello everybody, I am Doug Fall and I am your augmented actor, and I'm helping you augment your acting career with tips, tactics, and tech. Today I'm going to talk to you about an annoying little habit that actors, new actors in particular, pick up, but many actors do throughout their life, and that is the art of pointing at things that they are talking about. Particularly me and I, you, them, those guys over there. I had this habit a lot when I was starting, and I even recently was doing a show, and the director pointed out during one of my monologues that I was pointing a lot, and basically every time I indicated somebody, I was pointing the direction. Those girls are over there, and that guy's upstairs, and we're down here, and I'm doing this. And he says, stop pointing so much because you don't need it. And that is the truth of the matter. You don't need to point. I see a lot of actors who do this. They'll say, I really want to tell you that my feelings are hurt. It's just silly, because when you look at conversation in everyday real life, IRL, you will see that people don't indicate themselves when they point, except in the extreme cases when they're really trying to make a point. You're the one that did it to me. Okay, so that's when you might point to yourself. But if you're just saying, hey, I went to the store, don't do this, don't do this, don't indicate the me, because we don't do it in real life. Try it in a real conversation. Go up to your friend, and every time you say I and me, point to yourself and see how weird it looks when you point to yourself every single time you say I or me. It's just ridiculous. So stop doing that. When you're acting, get control of that. That's one of those things that you need to get in control as an actor. Now, the reasons why we do this on stage can be varied and many. Perhaps we're just nervous, and it's a nervous expression. Sometimes it can aid in memorization. When you're memorizing a monologue, you might think that thing's over there, and this thing's over there, and that person's here, and I'm here. So pointing to it helps your brain remember a monologue. But once you remember it, you should break out of that habit. Another reason we might do it is because we just feel the need to indicate to the audience who we're talking about, so that they know that we're really making it clear to them. But that's not necessary. You don't need to indicate that to an audience. If you're speaking properly and clearly and enunciating and projecting, you are going to be understood whether you have no hands at all or not. So what is the point of this video? When you make a point out of not pointing, it will enliven your performances, and it will separate you from the amateur performer and make you a better performer. So go ahead and try that out next time you find yourself pointing. It's a little bit of a pet peeve. What are your pet peeves when you see somebody on stage? What things do you do as an actor that you don't do in real life? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, do all the things, push all the buttons, and look at some more videos, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.